Am I assuming it was a love marriage or a marriage out of
It was a love marriage. माँ बाप का बहुत हाथ था. सारी फंडिंग उनकी तरफ से आई थी. But
ये सवाल थोड़ा सा गलत मोड़ पे जाएगा तो प्लीज नाराज ना होइएगा, कहा सुना माफ कीजिए. Did you? Is your wife perfectly normal?
Yeah.
Did she?
आप बोल दें.
She's obviously नहीं, मैं आपको तो मैं आपकी नाराजगी तो मैं मना लूंगा, मैं डर रहा हूँ उससे क्योंकि वहाँ पे कई लाख लोग हैं जो नाराज हो सकते हैं. लेकिन मैं ये सवाल यूँ कर रहा हूँ कि जितने लाख लोग ये देख रहे हैं वो ये सोच रहे होंगे वो लड़की लूली लंगड़ी कुछ होगी.
Exactly. Yeah.
तो I want
कोई ना कोई नुक्स होगा.
कोई ना कोई नुक्स होगा उसमें. I want to touch that one because क्योंकि मुझे अंदाजा हो रहा है कि भाभी में कोई नुक्स नहीं है.
नहीं, माशाल्लाह, she's a clinical psychologist and a very successful one. So
how did this happen? I mean, this is actually making me very uncomfortable.
No. It happened.
No, not for you. It's making me feel I'm ashamed.
Why? For things that we take granted in our life. I mean, like one of the reasons
हम
why
बेटी देंगे.
हाँ.
You won't.
हम बेटी बहन की शादी करेंगे क्या?
You won't. Again, it's not as simple as black and white. There's so many gray areas in it, and luckily I found the right person for myself. Number one.
Found an angel.
You found an angel for yourself.
You tell her and she'll let you know. But she's too sick and tired of this comment, because wherever she goes, she gets this. And
So let's get it out once and for all.
What?
ये जो comment है इसका जवाब आज हो ही जाए public में.
How? No, she is an angel. For me, she is. But she does not want to be,
Labeled as that.
Labeled and perceived as a do-gooder. Married me out of pity or sympathy और मेरी मदद करने के लिए या मुझे मेरी जिंदगी को चलाने के लिए मेरी जिंदगी में आई. It's
Charity में नहीं किया.
नहीं, it's a mutual relationship where we respect each other a lot and we learn from each other every day. लड़ाइयाँ भी होती हैं, हर चीज, everything is as normal as it could be. Obviously we do have some restrictions, like we cannot go out, we cannot react on our impulse कि चलो उठो Thailand चले जाते हैं या ये कर लेते हैं. Even a few months back we were planning to go, and wherever we would find a resort, it was either beach or some hilly area. So if you're on a wheelchair and you are unable to push yourself that much, you cannot go to a beach, you cannot enjoy water sports, you cannot go to a hilly resort. So where do you go? Big question. So anyway, so
मैं पता मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि I for the first time in my life मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं कितना बदकिस्मत हूँ. Simply because, as you said, he can't get off on a whim and say let's go to Thailand for the weekend. I mean, there's so much we have, there's so much I have, mashallah, now that I even be some people out there, be they broke or divorced or whatever, but there's still so much they
that you have.
If I could just answer your question from the first one that you asked, that how did it happen? You cannot take anything for granted, because when myself and Zara met, I had covered a distance. I had gotten out of the bed, I've educated myself, I've gotten a good job, I was on my way to physical, financial independence, etc. So obviously for her parents and her family, decision wasn't black and white either. It took them time to digest the fact that this can happen. But again, apart from my disability, there was nothing wrong with me. Now if you have your accident at the age of 15 and you don't do anything in your life, और आप 20-25 साल की उम्र में कहो कि यार मेरी शादी करो, it's not going to happen. It's like everybody else around you. You invest in yourself, you educate yourself, you get a good job, you strengthen yourself financially, physically, intellectually, and then you move on with your life. So expecting things, being unprepared, and saying कि यार सरमत तारिक के साथ तो ये हो गया था, मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ, it's ironic. या आप कहें कि जी अमेरिका में हो जाता है, पाकिस्तान में नहीं होता. आप ये नहीं देखते कि अमेरिका में वो जो बंदा जिसके साथ ये हुआ है उसकी बैकग्राउंड क्या है, उसने कितनी स्ट्रगल की, कितनी मेहनत की उस लेवल पे पहुंचने के लिए, तो आज वो इंजॉय कर रहा है जो भी कर रहा है.
एक सवाल और जो नाज़रीन सोच रहे होंगे, लेकिन उसका मैं शायद जवाब अपने तौर पे देना. आपने कहा कि जब ये हादसा हुआ आपके वालिदैन सामान समून बेच के विलायत चले गए इलाज. How much मतलब आपके वालिदैन के पास कितनी दौलत है?
So मेरे अल्लाह का फजल है. My father is retired brigadier, but modest family living जैसे कहते हैं.
मैं ये एस्टैब्लिश करना चाहता था कि ऐसा नहीं है कि ये सारा कुछ आपने अपने माँ बाप की दौलत के बलबूते पे किया.
नहीं, ये जो मैंने बालियां पहनी हुई है या जो अपना हुलिया बनाया हुआ है, ये माँ बाप बेचारों का इनमें कोई कसूर नहीं.
तो you've made your career जो
I had to.
जो कमा रहे हैं वो आपके वालिदैन के पास से कुछ नहीं आ रहा, अलावा वो जो DHA के प्लॉट शॉट.
नहीं, अभी तक वो भी नहीं है.